Rob Frazier here. This video, top 5 earning affiliates in the multiple income funnel. Top 5 earning affiliates in the multiple income funnel. Why should you care who the top 5 earning affiliates in the multiple income funnel are? To be honest, if you want to be successful online with anything, you have to get around people who are succeeding with it. And I personally am, I don't know, like somewhere down the list, but I just earn enough to be full-time. But this video, I want to actually put the focus on the top 5 earning guys in the multiple income funnel, and also show you where you can get trained from the #1 guy, especially if you're looking at the multiple income funnel. So this is just coming straight off of the leaderboard, and I'm gonna just go down the line. Michael and Jessica Day, Paolo Barroso, hopefully I'm saying his name correctly, Jeff Rees, Garrett Berry, Joshua Elder, and I also want to give an honorable mention to Paulo Baringel, I think is how do you pronounce his name. The reason why I'm going back and forth between the leaderboard and my blog, Baringel, I can't, I'm working on my Spanish speaking here, hopefully, but the reason I want to give these guys shout outs is because #1, they're on a leaderboard. There's a lot of folks out there, is this a scam, is it this, is it that, blah blah blah, and I just want to show you that people are in fact succeeding here with the multiple income funnel. And you can see the number of total referrals. Mike and Jess Day, 2,300 referrals. Paolo, 645. Jess, 621. Garrett, 365. Joshua Elder, 363. And Paolo, my honorable mention, 237. Obviously, there's a few other people here. And that's showing you, that should show you, it's not just the people who are out here on YouTube making the videos. There's other people out here actually succeeding with this program. And also on this blog, it's going to be in the description of this video, this blog right here, you can actually scroll down and get their direct links to their Facebook and their YouTube channel. So I'm also include a link to this blog in the video description as well. You click on here, come down here, and you'll just get their direct links. Look up Michael, Paulo, Jeff, Garrett, Joshua, and Paulo. Hopefully I'm saying those names correctly. But also, how to get trained from the #1 guy, or couple, I should say, Mike and Jess Day. In the back office of the multiple income funnel, you go to resources, you go through training, you go through weekly MIF training calls, and on the 14th of June, we just had a training from the #1 couple. And they're telling you the exact steps that they're doing to succeed with this opportunity. So that being said, if that sounds interesting enough to you, check out my blog post, check out my review on it, join me, or not, go join any of one of those other 5, 6, 7 people that I mentioned. But the point is, if you want to be successful, you just simply have to get around people who are succeeding online. I will say, if you join me, you're going to get access to my perpetual traffic plan, my daily method of operation, and my retirement plan. And I also put together a traffic co-op to help my folks get started in this opportunity as well. So that being said, name's Rob Frazier here. All the links and all the information will be in the description below. We will see you in the next video.